When you put this, your face problems will disappear in 2 days. In this video we talk about tips to have your perfect skin. And we recommend you make your homemade masks and other tricks. We also present 2 very good homemade masks. With a deep facial cleansing every day, we will remove the dirt that is present, but that we do not see, and when we put them in the face, you will see how you are surprised of the difference. Do not make more than you need for one use. However, if you have enough, store it in the refrigerator in a glass or mud container. The eye contour is a very sensitive and fine skin, and we must take care of it as it deserves. Avoid this area during treatment. It is best to use a cream or a specific serum. 1. Oatmeal mask with lemon and honey. Here are 3 of the natural foods most beneficial to health, with which your face will benefit from this excellent mask. You will achieve smoothness when you have applied the crushed oats on your face, along with half a tablespoon of lemon and 1 of honey. Remove everything until a thick paste is applied. Apply to the face for 10 minutes and massage to exfoliate the epidermis. 2. Honey and yogurt moisturizing mask. The properties of honey are indisputable. It is an instant energy source and has a great power of hydration, in addition to vitamins to rejuvenate the face. To make the face mask, place a yogurt in a bowl and add a couple of tablespoons of honey. As we always say, you can add other active ingredients to improve your effectiveness, such as lemon or aloe vera juice, to fight wrinkles. Mix everything well to obtain a uniform paste, and then spread it over the face, avoiding the eye contour. Let it act for 15 minutes and remove it with warm water.